Hello everyone, my name is Maeve and today I will show you guys how to become a real magician with just 30 lines of code. So now we have the game like this. We are the magician and we need to guess the number of the guests from 1 to 1000. So how to do it? Uh, Guess it and we can like ask them questions but we need to find the answers like um in at most 10 times of asking a question. So how can we do it? We can ask everything, like we can ask, so is it one, is it 500, is it 1000 or anything, but how can we optimize it? So we will use binary search like this. So let me show you guys here. So for example, 570. So I will ask that is it greater, smaller, or equal to 500? Nah, it greater. 750. Smaller, smaller, greater, smaller, smaller, greater, smaller, smaller, equal. Oh yeah, the number is 570, 5 after 10 steps. So yeah, so that is, you can see the code of binary search here, and now I will like use a number that out of this range from 1 to 1000, like 1001. Larger, larger, greater. Don't have this number. So that's very easy. Just 30 lines of code and you will become a real magic.